So welcome back, guys, to another episode of Just Vanning It. We hope you've had a good week, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the little subscribe button below. Help us grow a little channel, show some support. It'll be much appreciated. We do thank you for those people that have subscribed to our channel. We really appreciate it. So a little update on where we are. We are at the NMRA caravan park in Bowen. Beautiful Blowy Bowen, and the day is top today. No wind, look at this, beautiful. But a little bit of info on where we're at. So as you come down the road towards the caravan park, you get a glimpse of this beautiful ocean that's just sitting behind me. And then you enter, office is on the right. You go in, you paid was $85 for 2 nights, power and water. And yeah, guys, cement slab, pretty much all the what you expect these days now from a caravan park. And then when you come in, you turn right, you come down. It's a bit narrow, but they did ask me what size van I had, and I told them a 20-foot van, and they put me on site 25, which is where we at. And mate, yeah, you just come on down, you can drive right through. We parked up, bit of a tight fit, and parked the van at the back of us. And then you've got the beautiful ablutions, and then just next to the ablutions, you've got the swimming pool, which looks fairly big, which, yeah, so you can go and cool off, which I will be doing later. And then the view from our caravan park, our caravan. There were people in front of us this morning. They've all left, so it gave us a beautiful view of what's behind me. So, what have we got planned? Well, no real plan really. It is, what day is it? I don't even know, Tuesday. So we're here for a night, or we were here for 2 nights, last night and tonight. I think we're gonna be off tomorrow. We'll keep that destination as a secret. But I might just hop in the van, take a bit of a drive, and go see Bowen.
Busy, and people around me don't understand it.
Ooh, what a day. So I've come just north of where we were. Looks like you can fish here. Look at this. Little river inlet. Bit of fishing. There's a gentleman fishing over there. I don't know. I might go get a rod, have a little fish, but no swimming. Crocs. Big sign here, Crocs, and I can tell you why. There's a little bit of, they always say the river inlets are pretty scary. So I don't know. I'm gonna grab the drone, take a walk up onto the beach and see what we can find.
Lazy, the time we spent together was flowing lazy. There is luscious and the head feels hazy. I really don't care at all about the Macy. They don't know what is.
Well, guys, that was just a little taste of what we can see in Bowen. So yeah, the water was pretty clear. I tried to see if I could see any dolphins or sharks or something on the drone, but no go. That's okay. So we're just going to head off to a plumbing store to sort out that non-return valve that broke on the caravan the past few days. The one I had wasn't right, so there's a Reese plumbing store in town, so that's where we're going to head now, and we're going to try and see if we can fathom that out and get it right. And then, I don't know, I'm wanting to grab my camera out and go get some photos. So if you don't know, I'm trying to build a photography portfolio. So one of the reasons why we decided to travel around Australia is that I haven't been given it enough time, because YouTube really takes up a lot of your time. I'm really putting a lot of effort into the YouTube videos. So thank you for those that have supported me on the channel. Really appreciate it. A lot of time and effort goes into these videos. And but yeah, so I've got the camera in the back, got the tripod, and I might have found a spot that we might go and try and get some nice photos. But first, let's get to Reese. So stopped at Reese. I had to get that little contraption there because I actually need a pressure limiting valve with a non-return valving, which I didn't know until I put it all together. So yeah, but we'll fit that later. We are at another spot, and I'll tell you, the water is, I just can't explain it. So we're going to grab the camera gear, we're going to go for a little walk out onto this point and see what photos we can get, and just enjoy the moment. How good is this? Check this out. Woo! Hey, no wind. Wow. Sure, guys, how good was that drone footage? I haven't seen the footage yet, but I can, just from the screen, wow, it has turned it on today. So, here we are. Got our little tripod, our Canon 5D Mark IV on it, and some Benro filters in the front, just to try and shut that shutter down so I can get that milkiness effect across the water in daylight, which, yeah, I have no idea what these photos are going to look like, but we've taken a few. And we're going to head back to the caravan. We're going to do a little bit of editing, see what this has all come out. But I'm really considering grabbing the fishing rod and going back there to where I was this morning on that river creek. I reckon a nice little flathead for dinner would be great. So let me pack this up and let's get back to the van. Guys, yeah, done a little bit of editing. Photos came out. Wow, Bowen's really put a show on us for us today. But Sue's almost finished work, so I'm getting some fishing rods together, and we're going to go down to the river together and do a little bit of late afternoon fishing. I don't know, I wouldn't put too much on it that we'll catch fish for dinner tonight, so I did take some food out, but if we do catch a fish, that would be great. So I'm just going to carry on setting up these rods, so when Sue's finished work we can sort of head straight to the river. It's about 5 minutes from here. Righto, here we are. It doesn't look promising, guys. Bloody tide's gone out. I don't know how deep this is. Oh, hang on, it does look pretty deep. So you gotta watch for crocs, eh? Sue's just over there. She reckons she'll beat me in fishing. I reckon she will. All the gear, no idea again. So I don't know, we'll give it an hour or so. Sue's gonna fish with a bit of prawn. I'm gonna flick a couple of lures and just up and down on the bank here and give it a go. What do you got?
I got a little whiting, I think. I don't know what it is.
Oh, we'll get it off, get it back in.
Fins. Off you go then. I got another whiting. Hello.
Woo, guys. Fortunately the GoPro wasn't ready, but he absolutely took off. It's my first ever jack, but I want to get him back in the water. I don't know what size, I don't know if they're good eating, but oh, hang on, slow down buddy, he got big teeth as well. He took off, guys. So good morning. Another great day here in Bowen. Look at the views from our caravan. Wow, it's really good. But today we start another day. So today's pre-organised day, or pre-packed day I should say. So what I do is I generally go through what we got, where we're going, and I try to plan. So if we need to get groceries, I go get groceries. Like this morning, I've already been up to Woolworths here in Bowen and got some fresh supplies for the next few days. And yeah, and then also what we've got to do is we've got to pack up all the fishing gear that we used last night, wash the reels, the rods, pack them away, pack all the stuff into the van. I do a pre-check on all tyre pressures for tomorrow morning, and also got to go and stick the washing in, which I'm going to do first because it's already 11 o'clock, so I'm going to get the washing in so it can dry before tonight. And guys, yeah, just a little tinker around the van, get things ready for tomorrow because we have to leave early. We're going to do a little video on what it's like working on the road, because obviously Sue works on the road and how it affects us on a day-to-day basis on a positive and a negative side of things. So we'll do that soon. I'm not sure when, because we're due back in Brisbane shortly, so we might use our time in Brisbane to run through some videos on our electrical system, how our 9 months on the road has been, working on the road, positive, negative, because I'll get Sue involved with that one. So just to give you guys some feedback on what it's like to work on the road full time, meetings, etc. So that's why we've got to leave so early in the morning. So we'll leave you at 7 and head towards our location for tomorrow. So let's grab that washing and go stick it in the washing machine, I suppose. So alright guys, washing powder, laundry, stay soft. And guys, we use this laundry buddy from Navigator Gear to carry our laundry around and put in the washing machine when we're at the parks. So yeah, it's pretty handy. I can't remember how much I paid for it. We've had it for about 9 months. Yeah, so we're going to stick the washing in. It doesn't look like there's any room for the bloody washing to be hung up on the line, so I might have to tumble dry, but we'll see when we're done with this. So I'm going to stick this in and get it done.
Would you be here still?
So, washing's on. Wow, it's a bit dark, so it's time to unpack the. You want to know why we not losing weight? Yes, we got some nibbles. Got a new smelly for the van. Some long life milk, some bread, some chips, and some snacks for some sunsets maybe in the future at our little secret location. But yeah, so I'll quickly pack that away. Well, it's one thing putting the washing in the washing machine, now do the shit job and hang it up on the line. Well, let's get into it.
If I told you how I feel, would you be here still? Would you be here still?
So, we decided to finish our time in Bowen and a day of preparing for the next adventure. We come down to the coffee shop at Horseshoe Bay. Look at that view behind me. Wow. So the coffee shop's just in front of us. Oh, look at getting a beer rather than a coffee. Sue's gonna get a coffee. So let's go and see what this is all about.
Want anything?
I think I'm gonna try and get a beer for whatever time it comes. Cheers. Sue's got a coffee, we've got a beer.
Well deserved. Big dad work.
So, what do you think of Bowen?
Give me the coffee moustache.
What do you think of Bowen?
It's beautiful.
Bowen has been great, guys. The weather's turned it on for us.
It is a great little holiday town.
But we just stopped for a quick beer and a coffee. Beautiful views. And back to the caravan to prepare for tomorrow. We're leaving at 7 in the morning. I don't think we got... Wow, guys, getting out that park this morning. That's the only down thing I could say about that caravan park. Hey, what do you reckon? It takes a bit of manoeuvring your van to get out there because the people park it. You don't even have a car length between you and the next guy in front of you, so you can't get your car in to hitch the van so you can pull out. But anyway, we're on the road. And what we've decided to do this morning is we're going to end this vlog here and keep the next destination as a complete vlog on itself. So if you're enjoying the content, please hit the like and subscribe button below. We really appreciate the support. Those of you that have subscribed, we thank you very much. We really appreciate it. So you guys have a good week, and we shall see you next week Sunday. See ya.